Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 12:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Tuesday, November 30th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, be notified, as well as share and thumbs up the video because we're talking about STORJ, S-T-O-R-J. Intraday updates are on the Twitter link below. STORJ still consolidating under that line. So, make no mistake about it. This is the nice thing about STORJ. It hasn't really, once it kind of comes up into a channel, it respects it pretty well. So I'm looking for more, more consolidation over this channel. If we start coming down around here by the next few days, over the next day or two, we could be in for another nice spike, but we'll have to see how this plays out. It might not be that much, but it might be something. In the meantime, we do have support currently at, I'm going to get rid of that. Support right now is sitting right here, 252, 250. We have two lines of support coming up, so brace yourselves, buckle up. Could be a nice ride up, but we'll see. We got to keep our eye on it. In the meantime, STORJ Bitcoin is where things look a little weak. This is where I get a little concerned. So we're starting to drop a bit. So we're 46.54. We do have support right now sitting at 41.72. So that's a good 12% decline. So 12% on this one would be probably 40 cents. That would take us down quite a bit more than that. That would take us down to here. So you got to worry a little bit about this, although I feel like the dollar pair trumps in terms of its consistency, specifically when you have two lines of support intersecting as we've seen here, and as we've seen over here, where we went from 214 all the way up to 320. So I think this one could be another area where we rally, although it might not be to the extent that we've had prior rallies, but nonetheless, a rally's a rally. All right, so let's go take a look over at Bitcoin US dollar. We did have a interesting spike today, even while equity markets were down due to the Omicron variant or the lack of clarity thereof. So we did hit 59,249, almost hit the 60K resistance area where we have it right now, and started pulling back. Support right now on Bitcoin is around 56,200. We're at 57 and change. I think we're going to wind up melting back up later today. Bitcoin dominance. Very interesting to see this. This thing has been going down, almost plummeting like a falling knife. I think overall this gives me the confidence that the overall internals of the crypto market are doing pretty well. We'll continue to monitor this, but this is actually pretty good. I think over the next couple of weeks, we're going to wind up hitting 40, 46, where we've had a couple of areas of support on it. So more to come on that. But I think overall, looking bullish overall, even though the overall crypto market cap might be down, the fear is not necessarily there across the board. So just because you see some sell-off, generally it's not an all-out secular bear market, as some would potentially say. Meantime, looking forward for the next couple of days. We might get a bounce here. I don't want to promise anything because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a fortune teller, but I can tell you that it looks like we could have a bounce sometime later today or into tomorrow, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted on Twitter.